Welcome to video 5 of Workshop 1, Teaching Mathematics in Term 1 using the Maths in InterCen Phase booklet number 6. In 2020, we developed a series of 5 MIP booklets for children. These booklets were developed to help teachers to help the learners to focus on and practice key maths content. The booklets, which were prepared for grades 4 to 7, were made available in English and Afrikaans. Teachers who received these booklets told Heinrich and Judy that they found their exercises very useful. Now in 2021, we are releasing the 6th booklet for each grade in the form of a teacher's guide. This guide is entitled Using Mathematical Manipulative Operations. This 6th booklet provides guidelines for teachers on revising basic maths concepts and maths language. It is important that teachers make sure that children know the basic language of maths. This is essential if they are to move into dealing with more complex maths problems. When revising the maths content, it is important to remember to make it fun. Book 6 contains some practical ideas for maths games and activities. Also, use the Department of Basic Education's Maths or Rainbow Book activities. Siyawela's Book 6 is based on the content of the DBE Rainbow Book. It is to the benefit of yourself and your learners to make use of these revision exercises. Let's look at the Grade 4 booklet. The following topics are covered in the Grade 4 book. The book starts with a fun mental maths activity. The rest of the activities are centered around number sentences, numeric patterns, fractions, money, measurement, and lastly, space and shapes. In addition to the exercises in Booklet 6, you will also find exercises in the Rainbow Workbook for Grade 4. If you'd like, you can have a pen and paper handy to write down the page numbers. The Term 1 and 2 workbook for Grade 4 contains exercises on number sentences on pages 14 to 16. Exercises on number patterns can be found on the revision page 16 as well as on page 40. Fractions exercises are found on revision page 18 and from pages 102 to 104. Money exercises are found on revision page 12. Revision exercises for measurement include length and capacity on revision page 14 and mass on page 32. More length exercises are found on pages 110 to 114. 2D shape exercises are found on revision page 30 as well as page 63 to 66, and page 130 contains 3D exercises. Remember to refer back to the revised teaching plan for the Grade 4s in terms of topics that should be covered in Term 1. We also discussed this in our previous video. Let's look at the Grade 5 booklet. The Grade 5 book contains the same topics as the Grade 4 book, but with exercises that are relevant for the Grade 5s. The Term 1 and 2 Rainbow Workbook for Grade 5 contains exercises on number sentences on revision page 12 as well as page 10. Exercises on number patterns can be found on the revision pages 13 and 14. A variety of fraction exercises are found in the book on revision page 30, pages 34 to 39, and from pages 42 to 43. Money exercises are found on page 100. Revision exercises for measurement include mass on revision page 44, and further revision exercises on length, area, and perimeter can be found. Pages 74 to 76 include exercises on capacity. 2D shape exercises are found on pages 70 to 72. Exercises on 3D objects are found from page 144 to 152. This includes prisms and cubes, polygons, and circles. Remember to refer back to the revised teaching plan for the Grade 5s in terms of topics that should be covered in Term 1. Let us look at Booklet 6 for the Grade 6s. The Grade 6 book contains the same topics as the Grade 5 book, but with exercises that are relevant for the Grade 6s. The Term 1 and 2 Rainbow Workbook for Grade 6 contains exercises on number patterns on pages 72 to 74. A variety of fractions exercises are found in the book on revision page 30 and from pages 26 through 44. Money exercises are found on page 146. Revision exercises for measurement include area and perimeter, volume, mass and weight in the revision section. Further exercises on time, volume and capacity are found on pages 160 to 166. 2D shape exercises are found on pages 54 to 62. Exercises on 3D objects are found from page 94 to 96. Remember to refer back to the revised teaching plan for the grade 6s in terms of topics that should be covered in term 1. Let's look at the grade 7 booklet. Again, the grade 7 book follows the same pattern and includes the same topics as the books for grade 4, 5 and 6. The term 1 and 2 rainbow workbook for grade 7 contains exercises on fractions from pages 30 to 94. This includes common fractions, multiplication of fractions, decimals and percentages. Money exercises are found on pages 18 to 26. This extends to finances, including profit, loss and discount, budgets, loans and interest. Regarding measurement, the grade 7s deal with time, temperature, length, mass and capacity. This work is covered in the revision pages as well as pages 126 to 144. Grade 7s will work with volume of cubes and prisms. In addition, measurement for the grade 7s include working with time, temperature, length, mass and capacity. Exercises on 2D objects are found from page 58 to 72. These shapes include triangles, polygons and circles. Remember to refer back to the revised teaching plan for the grade 7s in terms of topics that should be covered in term 1. In this video, we introduced you to MIP Booklet 6, which was prepared for each of the grades from grade 4 to grade 7. When working through the booklet, you will notice the level of progression moving from the one grade to the next. In conclusion, we would like to leave you with the following words by Robert John Meehan. It shouldn't matter how slowly some children learn, as long as we are encouraging them not to stop. We have now reached the end of Workshop 1. Remember to complete the short quiz after this video and also to complete the workshop evaluation and journal for submission as part of the workshop assessment. We will forward a hard copy of the workshop journal to you for you to keep in your professional development file.